Okay, today we will discuss about the use of need to. You will repeat after me. Okay. Do you need to come to Prime? Yes, I need to come to Prime. Don't you need to come to Prime? No, I don't need to come to Prime. Does he need to come to Prime? Yes, he needs to come to Prime. Doesn't he need to come to Prime? No, he doesn't need to come to Prime. Do they need to come to Prime? Yes, they need to come to Prime. Don't they need to come to Prime? No, they don't need to come to Prime. Do you need to buy the flowers? Yes, I need to buy the flowers. Don't you need to buy the flowers? No, I don't need to buy the flowers. Does he need to buy the flowers? Yes, he needs to buy the flowers. Doesn't he need to buy the flowers? No, he doesn't need to buy the flowers. Do they need to buy the flowers? Yes, they need to buy the flowers. Don't they need to buy the flowers? No, they don't need to buy the flowers. Do you need to learn computer? Yes, I need to learn computer. Don't they need to learn computer? No, I don't need to learn computer. Does he need to learn computer? Yes, he needs to learn computer. Doesn't he need to learn computer? No, he doesn't need to learn computer. Do they need to learn computer? Yes, they need to learn computer. Don't they need to learn computer? No, they don't need to learn computer. Do you need to practice English? Yes, I need to practice English. Don't you need to practice English? No, I don't need to practice English. Does he need to practice English? Yes, he needs to practice English. Doesn't he need to practice English? No, he doesn't need to practice English. Do they need to practice English? Yes, they need to practice English. Don't they need to practice English? No, they don't need to practice English.